Hey guys, today's video I have some more Dollar Tree DIYs to share with you guys. In two of them I'm going to be sharing with you guys some spooky haunted houses that I created, and then the third one I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I created a witch's potion snow globe that came out so nice. I can't wait to share it with you guys. Before we jump into the DIYs, you guys, I do want to let you guys know that my video is part of an open collaboration with a bunch of other amazing creators hosted by these three ladies here. I will have these ladies' channels listed down in the description box below, and also a playlist for you guys to see all these other videos of other creators creating some haunted houses and Halloween DIYs for you guys as well. So definitely after you have seen my video, definitely go into the description box below and check out the playlist to see all these other amazing Halloween DIYs from these amazing creators. And if you are new coming from somebody else's channel, welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy the DIYs that I have for you guys today. In the Dollar Tree Plus section, they had these bird houses for $5, and there were two different styles. I liked this one because to me this one looked like a haunted house. Like as soon as I saw it, I was like, I can turn this into a spooky haunted house. So the first thing I did was I painted it completely black because of course most haunted houses are black. You could add like a little like gray kind of like dry brushing on it, or some white dry brushing on it if you really wanted to make it look old, but I just wanted to have the black look, so that's why I just kept it black. Now the handle that comes with it on the top, because it is a birdhouse, actually keep it on the whole time when you paint, because this helped me paint much easier because I was able to hold it as I was painting everything. So don't cut it off until the end. Then I saw these wood words that said spooky, and I thought they would be perfect to go on top of my haunted house. So I painted it completely white. At first I was thinking about having the spooky part orange, but I really just wanted my haunted house to be black and white. But you could do that, have the spooky part be purple or orange, and then have the ghost white, depending on the color scheme that you're going with. I know a lot of people decorate with purple for Halloween, and they like to add touches of orange, but I really wanted my haunted house just to be black and white. So I just did mine completely white, and then I just used my hot glue gun to glue it to the top of like the roof where it was like connected to the little kind of chimney and also the little roof part, and it just fits perfectly. I think it looks so adorable. I did want to add some ghosts to it, so I found this pack of felt stickers that came with a bunch of different Halloween assortments. I love the little ghost that it came with. That was my favorite, but they also had these little jack-o'-lanterns as well, and then they also had these bats as well. So you can use all of these to decorate your haunted house, but for me, like I said, I wanted to keep it black and white, so I'm just going to use the ghosts to decorate mine. And what's good about these felt stickers is they are stickers, so you don't have to use your hot glue gun or anything. You could just peel off the back, and then they stick to the house real easy. Again, if you're doing other colors, you can use a whole pack, but I just want mine black and white. I'm just into that really that black and white look, because in my house I have everything decorated for fall right now, but when it comes to like the Halloween, I really want to do mainly black and white. I might have some orange, but not too much. And these little like jack-o'-lanterns, to me they looked a little bit too cheesy, so I think the ghost looked a little bit more high-end. It looks like something you would see in the high-end store, so I didn't mind having the felt ghost because they looked a little bit more high-end, but the jack-o'-lanterns look a little bit too cheesy for me, but that's just my opinion. Then I wanted to make this have lights in it, so I took some of these LED lights that they have, these string lights that they have at Dollar Tree. I told you guys before, there is one that it is a 12 and then a 16 pack, so you just got to make sure if you want a longer string to look for the 16 one. I'm just sticking it into the house. I'm not doing anything special with it, but I'm making sure that I kind of maneuver it so that it's up into the top part as well. And because it's kind of like these LED lights are kind of bendy, they kind of stick in there themselves, so you don't have to glue them down anywhere, and then the little pack goes inside there perfectly. So whenever you want to turn it off and on, you just got to take your fingers and kind of maneuver it, and then you're able to turn the switch on and off. But this is how it looks once it's lit up. You can see the little battery pack, which I think I might put something in there. I didn't think about it until I saw it, but I also saw this ghost, this wood ghost at Dollar Tree as well, and I thought he would be perfect to be next to my little haunted house. So I painted him black and white as well, and this is how I plan to decorate with them together. And this is how the haunted house looks when it's not lit up, but this is how it looks when it's lit up with lights on. And then you can also see how it's lit up when it's in the dark like this. And so again, you can still see the battery pack, which I do plan to put something inside it to cover it, but you guys let me know in the comments down below, what would you guys put inside there to cover up the battery pack? For the next haunted house DIY, I took these haunted house wood cutouts from Dollar Tree. I had these from last year because I gave them to my daughters to paint them once we had a craft day, but I decided to reuse them because they will save me money. So I took them and I completely painted them black just like I did the first one. And then I found these wood cutout ghosts that they come in a pack of 5 or 6 at Dollar Tree. And I painted them completely white, of course, and then I'm going to add 2 each to each of my haunted houses. And I'm going to have one where it's like in the middle of the haunted house, but then I'm going to have one that's kind of like peeking out from behind the roof, so it kind of looks like the ghost is like flying up above from the house. And this is how it turned out. You could add more, but sometimes I feel like less is more, so I like the way that it turned out. And then I wanted to make this haunted house to be able to stand up. So I'm taking these Jingle Block pieces, these tumbling tower pieces that you can get from Dollar Tree in the toy section at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue 2 of them to the back so that this haunted house will be able to be standing up. And of course, just like I added lights to the first one, I gotta add lights to this one as well. So I'm taking those LED lights again, but this time I'm going to use tape to tape them back to the back of this haunted house. I find it better than using like hot glue because I don't want to burn anything that's electric and mess it up. So the tape worked perfectly, and this is also just regular tape that I got from Dollar Tree, and I was able to tape it down around the little window parts. And what I did was I made sure that every part where the little lights were at, that they were by the window, so that way that they would show their light through the window. And this is how it turned out. And as you can see, I put the ghost on the opposite sides of each one. And then I have this little ghost in the middle that I got from Dollar Tree that also lights up as well. The eyes light up and it does different colors. And this is how it looks in the dark. But I wanted to share with you guys pictures, but I also wanted to share with you guys video of how this little ghost looks. The one that you can get from Dollar Tree when it lights up. It shows like these different colors just like beaming back and forth. And so I wanted to show you guys how that looked. And then you can use this, like you can put this ghost in between the two. You can have 2 of them on either side. You can have 3, but also you can take the other haunted house that I shared with you guys at the beginning and put them all 3 together and have this as a display on your table, like I have a table that's in my entranceway, so this would be perfect at that table. Somewhere in your living room, you could put these separate or all together with these little ghosts from Dollar Tree that I think are amazing. These are actually $1.25. These are not the ones from the Dollar Tree Plus section. It's actually $1.25, which is a good deal, and I like them all together or separate. I just really think this came out cute. Now let's make a witch's potion snow globe. So you're going to need these little miniature cauldrons that they have at Dollar Tree. They are so cute and they have such great detail to them. You'll also need these clear ornaments from Dollar Tree. They come in a 2-pack. This size is the perfect size for this DIY. You're also going to need this clear glue that they have at Dollar Tree that is like a green color, which is perfect for the potions when it comes to like the witch's potion. And you're going to need some glitter, preferably green glitter, because that is perfect for the witch's cauldron as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill it up with water, and I really don't have measurements for this, you guys. Like I kind of like eyeballed it and just kind of added some glue, added some water, added some glitter. I really don't have no measurements for you guys. I'm so sorry. I just thought I didn't put too much glue, because if you put too much glue it gets too sticky. So I kind of just eyeballed it and went back and forth. And I'm going to show you 2 snow globes at the end. I'm going to show you how one has a little bit of glitter in it and another one that has a lot more glitter in it, so that you guys can see the different styles of them. But then I also wanted to add some like a little spider in there, because in a witch's potion you got to have spiders and eyeballs. I couldn't fit any miniature eyeballs in there, there, but I could take this little spider ring and stick it in there. And so that would be like the main thing that you will see in this kind of like snow globe type of witch's potion. And then for the top, what I did was I took that part up that, you know, kind of hangs the ornament. I took that out. And then I took my hot glue gun and I filled the inside of that where the holes were at with glue. Now this is going to get really hot, guys, so be careful, because I quickly dropped it because it was like, as soon as you're filling it up, it starts making the top of it really hot. And so just be careful with it. But I made sure that I put glue where the holes were at so I can cover the hole, and then I glued it to the top part, and then I started adding hot glue to the sides because you want to make sure that no water seeps out of this. So you have to completely cover. As you can see, I have a lot of hot glue there because I don't want no water to come out, but you're not going to see it because it's going to go in the cauldron, so you won't see it at all anyway. And so this one right here is the one that I made that has a little bit more of, a lot more glitter, so you can have more of that potion look. And then you'll see the other one at the end where it has like a little bit of glitter. So it all depends on how you want it, how much glitter you put. I preferably like the one that has a lot of glitter in it. My husband likes the one that has a little bit, but you can make it as you want to. But then you're going to add glue to the cauldron itself, and then you're just going to stick the little ornament into that miniature cauldron, and that is it. That's how you make this little like snow globe. And you can do so many things with this. I added like the spider in it, but let me know down below if you guys have another idea. What would you put inside it from Dollar Tree? If there's any like miniature eyeballs, let me know. But I wanted to share with you guys how it looked, shaking it up in real time so you guys can see how it looked. I didn't want to show you any pictures because when it comes to pictures, you know, you really can't see like the snow globe actually moving and the glitter moving. And you can see the little bubble at the top. I tried to fill it up as much as I could, but even when I filled it up to the top, it still had that bubble. So I don't know how to get away from that. So if you guys have any ideas on how to do that, let me know in the comments down below. But then I also have, this is the one that has a little bit less glitter in it. You can see the spider a little bit more in that one. But these are so cool. They came out really nice. But again, let me know in the comments down below, what would you add to it? Like, let me know, is there anything in Dollar Tree that you feel that you can fit in these? Because these ornaments are very, the opening of these ornaments are very small, so it's kind of hard to see what you can put inside it. So you guys let me know, what would you put inside these? So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which DIY was your favorite. And also don't forget to check out the playlist down below so that you can check out the other creators and see their creations with these spooky haunted houses or Halloween DIYs that they're going to come up with. I can't wait to check their videos out and get some inspiration for myself to create more things for you guys. And also thank you to the host for hosting this collaboration. I love doing collaborations with other creators and working together and inspiring each other. I love doing collaborations, so definitely show them some love as well, and I'll check you guys out in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.